What's up, peeps? It's your boy Red Diamond, the coach, back at you with some more amazing content, high valuable content. And I just want to share with you my diamond coaching system. And I'm going to break it down to you guys and show you the actual ingredients and the elements that's part of my system and how I was ordained by the Most High and blessed with this system that I am now able to share with you to help you level on up, to help you go on and level up and win in life, to help you navigate to your dreams much easier and quicker than you ever thought was possible. So you can look at my diamond coaching system as a GPS system. That's kind of like a roadmap. Once you are clear on your vision and what your goal is, and when you're clear on your vision, that means you have a mission and you have a plan and you have a purpose for why you're doing what you're doing. You can call it your big why, but I look at it as just living with purpose. And this is what a lot of us is missing in lives. We just don't have any true purpose. What are we doing? What are you doing with your life? So my diamond coaching system is designed to help you get crystal clear on your mission, on your plan, and on your purpose. One of the main parts of my diamond coaching system and one of my main elements is my love formula methodology that I put together, which is what separates me from other coaches. My love formula methodology is broke down step by step, and each letter in the word love is a different part of my love formula. And once I take you through my diamond coaching system, my love formula methodology is designed to take you to an outcome with your business to where I help you create a business that you actually truly love, that you actually wake up in the morning with nothing but joy, harmony, peace, balance, and love for what you do, proud of what you do, which is what gives you fulfillment, which is one of the most important aspects of life, to have fulfillment. So with my love formula methodology, the L is for law of attraction mindset. I've been studying law of attraction and personal development for years now. I've read so many books on law of attraction, so many books on personal development that I was able to put together advanced techniques and strategies on how to implement law of attraction at its highest level so that you can start to attract the things in your life that is going to be good and fruitful for you. So you can attract positive into your life, so that you can attract the life and business that you have been dreaming of for a long time. So with these techniques of my law of attraction mindset, it's a different way of thinking that most of us are not taught by our parents. We're not taught by our teachers. This mindset is not a mindset that is commonly in day-to-day society. So once you develop and incorporate this law of attraction mindset, it changes your focus. It changes what you pay attention to. It changes your vibrational levels that you have in your mood, in your presence, in your essence, in your aura. You start to walk different. You start to talk different. You start to think different. You start to have different people in your surroundings that adds to your law of attraction and not take away from it. The O in my love formula is for optimizing your environments. Through me studying personal development, through me studying life in general, and also through me studying entrepreneurship, I learned that there is three main environments. There's more environments actually, but the three main environments that I focus on when it comes to optimizing my environments and also optimizing my clients' environments is your physical environment, number one, which is the most commonly thought of environment. And when I speak of your physical environment, I'm speaking of your environment at home and your business environment. Physically, your office space, Do you have clutter? Are you neat? Are you organized? Are you disorganized? Do you have the proper tools that you can use to help you streamline your business to where you can be more efficient with your time? Your personal environment. Is your house cluttered? Is your environment at home peaceful to where you can be in a mindset of peace and harmony, which you can take from home to your business? Because if you start your day with chaos, disorder, bad moods, stress, this carries on to your business, which is not a good recipe for having high success, for achieving high success. The second part of your environment is your mental environment. So we're looking at what kind of mental elements do you have in your life? What kind of entertainment do you watch? What is your ratio of entertainment versus education? So mentally, do you feed yourself BS all day? Or do you feed yourself fruitful information that can help your mind grow, that stimulates your mind, things that helps you improve your skills, things that helps you improve your knowledge? So this is your mental environment. And a lot of us mentally, we have a very anti-success environment. We listen to music all day, watch BS on TV all day, scroll through social media, paying attention to everybody else's lives all day. So this is something definitely that we all can optimize and make better as far as our mental environment. When is the last time you read a book? How many books have you read over the past 2 months? What are you studying right now? Are you taking any courses, part of any programs that will help you enhance your business? Are you going to school? These are things that can enhance and improve your mental environment. And your third environment, which is at the top of the list, and one of your most important environments, is your people environment. Who do you spend most of your time with, professionally and personally? Do you have people around you that tear you down, that belittles you, that destroys and kills your dreams? Or do you have people that build you up, that make you better, that encourages you, give you encouragement, people that got your back, people that believe in you, people that tell you you can do it, you are going to do it, you are going to be successful. I can see you doing exactly what your plan is. These are the type of people that we need around us in our presence, that we need to spend our time with. It's so sad to me how many people have dream stealers around them, people that's poisonous around them, people that's high negativity around them. And when you have negative people that you spend most of your time with, it's no way around it. It's going to make you negative as well. So these are the three environments that I help coach my clients to optimize and improve and strategize, so that from the time you wake up in the morning, your life is designed much better to where you have a much better chance of creating the outcome that you envision much more sooner than what you were doing initially. The V in my love formula methodology is for vision. The main part of success and becoming successful is having clarity, crystal clear clarity on your vision. You have to have a vision, or everything is always going to happen by chance instead of design. So I help you create a vision that is in high definition, as if it was a movie and you're the movie director and the movie writer, where you write your own story and your own script. And it is so vividly put together to where you can see it, you can smell it, you can taste it, you can feel it. And this is what creates motivation. This is what creates passion and desire to want to go ahead and move forward. This is what builds courage. This is what gives you the confidence level that is needed to pursue your dreams, big and small. You have to be crystal clear on your vision. I've developed, learned, and created some vision techniques that will most definitely help you enhance, improve, and increase the crystal clearness of your vision, much more clearer than you ever have had it. And once you have that, that's when we can get your roadmap together, get your map game together. And this is where the E comes in at. Execution plan. You have goals and you have SMART goals. So I help my clients create goals that are SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely, to where you actually have a time frame on your goals and your dreams. You have a due date to where you have it in writing, to where you want to complete initial tasks that is needed to be completed in order to reach your overall bigger goal. And when you have a SMART goal and your vision is clear and your execution plan is intact, to where you have it step by step put together masterfully, to where you know how your day look before you go to sleep, you know how your week look when Sunday hit, you know how your month looks when the first of the month hits, you know how your full year is going to look when the new year hits. This is when you start to be masterful with your planning and your execution game. So this is my love formula that I was blessed with, and this is the main element of my diamond coaching system. On my next several videos, I will be breaking down each of the elements of my love formula in more detail. I'm excited to be able to share more with you guys, more valuable content with you guys. If you receive any value from this video, if you received any motivation or inspiration, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to stay updated on new content and new videos when I drop them, hit that notification button as well. Hit that bell and rock with your boy. Be a part of my tribe, the Fly Ones, and let's make greatness happen. Let's grow together. Let's build together, and let's make our dreams come true. One love.